In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Brother DCP-330C series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Brother DCP-330C support. And you want to go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page. It says DCP-330C. Go ahead and open that up, and then select the Downloads button. Select your version of Windows, Mac, or Linux. If you're on Windows, you may want to select an older version to get the full software package. So we're going to select Windows Vista 64-bit, and then select OK. We're going to select the full driver and software package, and then agree to license terms and download. And then we're going to go ahead and open up that file to run it once it's done downloading onto our system. Again, this is on Brother's website. This is a legitimate source for the file. Sometimes printer files aren't digitally signed. So anyway, go ahead and select yes, and then allow the installer to continue here, selecting your preferences as you want to go along with it. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.